You know, sometimes in summer, you don't want to cook. You want something cool and refreshing, but you also want something with a little something to it, a little heartiness. And that's when I turn to a nice rice salad. You've got the cool rice salad, but also you got the rice just kind of, give that robustness. So what we've got here is, this one is a barbecue pork and tomatoes rice salad. Got big chunks of, not big chunks, but nice chunks of barbecue pork in there. And a little, what we call pucci tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. A bunch of rice, a dressing. Oh yeah. Nice thing is you can make this even the day before, leave it chilling in the refrigerator, you come home from work, and dinner is ready. So let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. Now to make our barbecue pork and tomatoes rice salad, well, here are the ingredients. It's quite simple. We have some dressing ingredients and we have the salad itself. So let's go over the salad itself first. What I've got here is 2 cups of cooked rice. It can still be warm or cooled down, it can be leftover, whatever, and it can be used. What I've got here is 8 ounces or 230 grams of barbecue pork, which I've chopped up into small pieces. Here, in this case, I've got 16, but anywhere between 15 and 18 mini tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, and then I've quartered them. Over here, a quarter of a red onion, finely chopped up. Here, a quarter cup of thinly sliced green onion. And then for the dressing, what we've got here is a quarter cup of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of a whole grain mustard, the big seeds and stuff in it. And then 1 teaspoon each of pepper and salt. So first, let's make the dressing. We'll take a small bowl and we'll put in the olive oil and the vinegar. And then we need to get in that mustard and the mayonnaise. And then just got to toss in the salt and pepper. And all I'm going to do now is whisk it up. So let's put that off to one side. Grab a whisk and just whisk this together until it all comes together. The mayonnaise helps to just kind of emulsify everything together and hold that oil and vinegar together. So it doesn't take much. All right, there we go. That's looking good. Just gonna put that off to one side for right now. In a larger bowl, let's toss in the rice. Well, that went in nicely. Toss in the barbecued pork. I'm going to leave the tomatoes last because I don't want to smash them up much. I'm going to mix this first, so put them in final. We get the red onion in there, the green onion, and then first thing I do is I just want to kind of mix this up because sometimes you use a stickier rice like I use. You need to break it up a bit. So just kind of chop it around a bit. It looks pretty even, so now in goes the dressing. And then I'm going to mix that dressing in well. So I'm leaving those tomatoes to last. Just so they're just going to be added in, and I don't want to mix them too harsh because they break easily. So if we get this all nicely mixed first, then we add in the tomatoes. All right, see, that's looking really good. So now in go tomatoes, and then just a gentle toss to get those mixed throughout. And there we go. We have our barbecued pork and tomatoes rice salad, and it took like a couple of minutes to create. What I'm going to do now is put this in the refrigerator. Just got to cover it and chill it. And I leave it in there for at least an hour. It's okay with a half hour if your rice was cold when it went in. But really great thing to this is that you can make it the night before, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then when you come home from work, hey, there's a nice refreshing rice salad for dinner. So enjoy that. Now if you have a link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Salad and Vegetable Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you'll get access to all our recipe booklets and a bunch of videos not published anywhere else, including our popular This is Japan series. Also, you'll be supporting the creation of many more Kuma's Kitchen recipe videos. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy barbecue pork and tomatoes rice salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.